What's up, xillerated fam? Got a new part for the wagon. Is the JDM hood scoop. Bigger. Oh, there that goes. I am gonna show you guys how to prep plastic, paint it so it doesn't chip. Learned a lot from painting the front lip, so I decided it's gonna be a process and show you guys how to do it. So let's get to it. What you're gonna need is 600 grit or 800 grit sandpaper, because on new plastic products they usually have this like special thing to keep stuff from sticking to it, so you guys gonna have to sand that off, and that will help. 600 grit or 800. Then you're gonna also need alcohol or mineral spirit to, oh, this ain't even mineral, oh yeah it is, mineral spirit to wipe it clean and everything. Then to get it from not chipping, you're gonna need some plastic adhesion promoter. I gotta say, this is actually pretty cheap but works wonders. It works really good. Then what you're gonna need after that is primer, sealer, and of course your base and everything, your base coat. I am using 1K Clear by Dopely Color, just to give it a try, you know. I don't mind repainting and redoing my work, so right here is 1K Clear from like AutoZone and whatnot, and so far it's been working great. That's what's been on the side, I mean on the lip. As you can see, it blends in, it's as shiny as the bumper. So definitely give this a shot. I got the extra extreme gloss finish. All right, just like most people, I don't got a shop. My garage is full, so we're gonna paint this outdoors. Make it quick. Got the plastic adhesion promoter, and we're gonna spray it after I cleaned up the hood scoop. It's now time to spray it down, wipe it down, and now we just gotta spray it on, and it's gonna be a dull finish. Make sure you get every little bit in there. This dries up pretty quick, so it's okay to just be very straightforward with it, because you want the paint to be able to just stick on and not chip off. Get around the edges. All right, should be good. I went ahead and paint the thing. As you can see, the reflection from up top, it is glossy. It is real nice. That's with that 1K Clear. Now I'm waiting for it to dry. Gonna sand down some spots and slap it on the car. Sorry I didn't get the painting process. I like it. 2K Clear would have been better, but like I said, I'm testing out products so that any of you guys are on a budget know how it goes. I forgot to record how to remove this, but there are screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under your hood. And then same goes for the hood scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm using a 5/16 socket to remove all of them. So I had to remove the diffusers just to get to, or yeah, the hood scoop diffuser to get to these 2 bolts underneath here, or 2 nuts under here. Changed out the hood scoop and check it out. Matched real nicely. Definitely a lot taller. Looks good. And let me show you guys the comparison with the OEM. It's a lot smaller. This is a lot smaller for sure, and that's a lot wider. Plus with 4 fins or air dividers, besides this has 3. I say it's well worth it. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I am satisfied with how that came out. Next up is more JDM stuff. Gotta scope that out. Hopefully I could scope some for deal again. But yo, keep doing what you guys love and stay excited doing it. Stay exhilarated, fam. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.